We'll guide you through how to fix Discord screen share audio not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Discord. So it's an annoying problem when you're trying to go and stream your screen, but you're finding the audio is not working. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to hopefully go and get this resolved, as perhaps you're trying to go and stream a video you've been working on or a game and you want to go and have those sounds going through. There are some different fixes we can try, so watch this full video. Make sure you don't skip anything as we're covering important steps throughout this whole guide. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you're currently streaming your screen, go and stop. And I just disconnected as well there. Then what you want to do is go to the bottom left and go and find user settings in Discord. On the left, scroll down and you want to find voice and video in-app settings. Then you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find streaming. And you want to go and open up Show Advanced Stream Settings. In here, you can try turning off Stream Attenuation. And if you've got Use Advanced Technology to capture your screen turned on, try turning it off. If it's currently turned off, try turning it on, just switch it around. Then you can come and return, come back to the channel or call and join it. Then you want to try sharing your screen. So press at the bottom, choose what you want to go and share. I'll do the entire screen here. Now, what you want to do is when you started, you want to press stream settings in the bottom right and make sure share stream audio is selected. Alternatively, when you press the arrow at the bottom, you can go and select it there as well. If somebody's watching your stream, what they should try doing is right clicking on it and they should see a volume bar and they can increase it because it may have just been turned down for them. Go and see if that solves it. If it still isn't working, we can try disconnecting again. And what you want to do is come back to your settings in the bottom left. Scroll down to voice and video. And then what you want to try doing is coming down here, come all the way down to advanced, and you can try doing a reset in case there's a problem here. So wait for this to complete. And then what you can try doing is streaming again. And hopefully now the audio will be included. Of course, make sure you got it ticked. As a last resort, I recommend just restarting your computer to go and refresh everything. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.